Hey, we're back. Yeah, it's us again. I forgot to put the mount on the windshield, and so I'm using this handheld. That's why we got the funky angle. Sorry about that. Looks like somebody else is going camping too. Hey, this is going to be kind of a special episode because our real destination this time is an amusement park. Silverwood Theme Park. Ever heard of it? Well, it's supposed to be the largest in the Pacific Northwest, probably because it's one of the only ones in the Pacific Northwest. But anyway, I digress. But that's where we're headed. We're going with some of our adult kids today. Call them kids, they're adults. There's Paul and Taryn, and then Brent and Janelle, and our grandson James. James is actually riding with us. Maybe I can angle this back and you can see him back there.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, but he came with us because Mom and Dad, Janelle and Brent, are getting a late start, and we decided to take him so that once they get on the road, they can make a beeline here anyway. But we're headed there, and we will still try to do a review of the RV park. See, what it is on the highway that we're on right now, Highway 95. The theme park is on the left-hand side of the freeway, or the west side of the highway, and the RV park is on the right-hand side. And they've made a little tunnel under the road so that you can walk right from the RV park to the theme park. So we're staying there. Makes sense, right? But we will try to do a review of the park itself, because that's kind of the whole premise of this channel, is reviewing RV parks. But there's going to be a whole bunch more, obviously, as we go into the theme park. We cannot wait to catch our grandson. Yeah, catch our grandson on the rides. I mean, that's kind of what this is all about. Anyway, we'll catch up with you here shortly. We're about 13 miles away. We'll see you on down the road. We're here at the RV park. We're in Space 121, like that really matters, but that's where we are. There's kind of a view as we're pulling in. Sounds like James has come back to life. Okay, so real quick, we're here at our campsite. Kids took our grandson off to the playground so I can show you what our site looks like. And there's what it looks like. They're nice and big. There's plenty of room to spread out. These sites are really level. We didn't have to do any leveling at all. That's a bonus. I like that. Normally we pull out our levelers and get the trailer level. We didn't have to do that. Even though it's not paved, this is super nice, easy to maneuver on gravel. The connections are all nice and clean, maintained. There's, unlike Peach Beach, this one has a nice gradual slope to it. Easy to get in here, nothing obstructing it, so that was nice. The electrical is all in really good shape and maintained. That's nice, not rusted or outlets falling out of it. Water connection is nice. I do happen to like these yard hydrants more than the regular or the other type of faucet you turn on and off. But yeah, in a nutshell, setup: quick, easy, convenient, and pleasant. So that's a bonus if you're staying here. It's actually a lot nicer place than I had thought that it would be, for just being more or less a stayover place for people that are going to the amusement park. But it's decent, actually. Not a nice bad place at all. And it'll be fun tomorrow to get over to Silverwood Amusement Park. Looking forward to that. Paul and Taryn.
Hey.
Hello.
You already saw James earlier in the back of the truck. Say hi, James.
Hi.
That's it.
Nice job, man.
Good job. So, we're getting settled in. Gonna have some hamburgers. Everybody likes hamburgers, right? Everybody likes hamburgers. And we're waiting for Brent and Janelle, who are somewhere on the road. I wonder where they
They're
are.
like close to Moses Lake right now.
Oh, they're making good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good idea bringing James with us so that they could book. That's awesome. Anyway, looking forward to the theme park tomorrow. You can see some of the roller coaster over there. Janelle are here. Say hi, guys. We got Paul and Taryn yesterday.
Oh, what were they doing up?
Brent and Janelle showed up last
These
night,
were where I hid mine.
but they're figuring out sunglasses right now. And Angela's almost having a meltdown. Don't rock, don't move this thing. It's like, shut up. Hey, there's the coasters. That's gonna be fun. You haven't figured it out by now, Angela and I are on the log ride, and there's promised a big splash at the end.
That's what they say.
Was that awesome or what?
Really wet.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh man, how fun was that? Look how wet you got.
Yeah.
James! Oh, was that fun?
No, he did not like it.
He didn't?
He didn't like. We got squirted.
So did we.
Oh yeah,
That was
he
fun.
didn't like it.
My feet stayed dry though.
Oh man,
I stuck them way underneath.
I got your wrench.
Oh, that was good. Oh, look at him! Oh, boy! Woo! Oh man. Ah, jeez, it's so much fun. Look at it. He loves it. You can't scare this. Oh man. Wave to Grandpa. Hi, James. Bye-bye. Yep, this is awesome. Go around there. Are you having fun yet? Yeah. Oh, man. Hey, sorry about the rudeness of my wife. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
What are your names?
I'm Lee. I'm Ella.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, we got the waterfall a few times here. Angie's really happy.
I did not want to get from here on down.
That's pretty funny. Doesn't seem to be too interested in the terrain. Well, I don't normally do ride reviews, but if I were, I'd say skip the train ride. Oh, James. Oh, boy.
Hands up! Hands up!
Oh my gosh.
Hands up! Hands up!
Well, we spent the rest of the evening sitting around the campfire having a good time. And after we posed for a family photo in the morning, the kids packed up and headed home. But we took off to Coeur d'Alene and a beautiful waterfront park there with this beautiful memorial to the fallen police officers. Beautiful. Nice memorial. Waterfront. It's a nice park here, right on Lake Coeur d'Alene. So this is out at the, well, I don't know which direction we are right now, but far end of the park down here. Park McEwen, is that what it was?
I think so.
And there are a series of trails around here. And I was just talking to somebody who said if we go out along here, there's a lot of beaches out over there too, and a really good lookout point up here. But it's amazing all there is to do out here at Lake Coeur d'Alene. Wow. It's like, it reminds me of Bend, Oregon. Past that trailhead that I showed you there is this marina, and then a great place to get some drinks and sit out on the water. I think that's what we're gonna do. I told you about a hiking trail where you could go out, find a beach, a place where people like to jump off. Here it is. After spending our day at Lake Coeur d'Alene, we stopped off to get something to eat and drink at a brew pub called Unchained. Good food, good place. We headed back to the campsite and got ready to head out. You know, all in all, we'd say the campsite is nice. It's a decent place to stay. It's well maintained. It looks good. All the pads are in good shape. All the utilities are in really good shape. I think they try to make it as pleasant a stay as possible. And the only negative things at all, or one thing actually, is that because you're so close to the highway, as you can see here, there's all that noise. But that's the trade-off. You're right next to the theme park, and that's really why people are going here. So if you're going to Silverwood, stay here. It's a nice park and you'll enjoy it.